Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make the perfect Caesar salad. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. 1 large head of fresh romaine lettuce, day-old bread for croutons, a block of Parmesan cheese, a fresh lemon, a couple of garlic cloves, and good quality olive oil. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. The dressing is the heart of a great Caesar salad. Whisking it yourself ensures a fresh, vibrant flavor that store-bought options just can't match. Take your time to slowly incorporate the oil for a creamy, perfect emulsion. This step truly elevates the entire dish, making it unforgettable. Proper assembly is key to preventing a soggy salad. Ensure your lettuce is completely dry before adding the dressing. Toss gently to coat every leaf without overdoing it, then immediately add your crispy croutons and generous shavings of fresh Parmesan. This sequence guarantees maximum freshness and crunch in every bite. For the best experience, serve your perfect Caesar salad right away. The crispness of the lettuce and the crunch of the croutons are at their peak. A final sprinkle of Parmesan and a fresh lemon wedge elevate the presentation and taste. Enjoy your culinary creation. It's truly a classic for a reason.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.